Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gail and in today's video I'm sharing with you all the poha recipe I made for my breakfast. Starting with heating a pan, add oil, mustard seeds, cumin seeds. Then add chopped green chilies and onion. Fry them together for some time. I'm adding a bit more oil and few curry leaves. Mixing it together. When it's done, add salt and turmeric and mix together. Then I have added roasted peanuts and some chana. Chana is optional. Then add your washed poha and mix everything together. Close the lid and let it cook for some time. After a minute or two, open the lid and mix together. And it's done. Your super yummy poha is ready. Squeeze a little fresh lemon juice over before serving. Hope you like this quick poha recipe. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye.